Good morning, students. Welcome back to the biology class. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Why do we fall ill? In the chapter name itself, there is one word, fall ill. What is the meaning of fall ill? You know, falling ill means disease. Disease. So in this lesson, we are going to study about the different reasons behind diseases and various ways of its treatment and various control measures to prevent the spreading of diseases, etc. So first we can study about the word disease. Disease means discomfort. Disease. You can split that word dis-ease. That means the discomfort. When we feel discomfort, if any disturbance occurs in our body system, that we feel discomfort. So what causes disturbance into our body? So there are substances, any substances which can cause disturbance, any substances from our surroundings. It may be a microorganism, or it may be a chemical substance, or it is any climatic changes. So if any changes, like so something which cause disturb our body organs or our body system, functioning of our body system, that leads into one disease. You know, in our body there are different organ systems. These organ systems are interconnected. So the functioning of one organ system is affect the functioning of other organ system also. So the disturbance even in a single cell occurs. That leads into the functioning of one organ, then later it affects the functioning of our organ system, later it affects the functioning of our entire body. So, for example, if any one microorganisms that enter through our nose, it goes into our lungs. If any microorganism spread in the lungs, that person cannot breathe properly. Okay, so first that organism that affect one organ, lungs. Later it affect the respiratory system. That person cannot breathe properly. You know, the breathing is an energy releasing process. From the lungs, oxygen need to supply to all other organs. Oxygen is essential for the production of energy. If the person is not able to breathe properly, the lungs cannot supply oxygen to each and every cell. So for the functioning of all other organs also, oxygen required, and by using that oxygen only the cell is producing energy. You know, for the working of our brain also required energy. So if the lungs cannot supply sufficient oxygen to each and every organ, it will later affect the functioning of our entire body system. Isn't it? So an example, if any microorganism enter through the mouth, it may affect, sometimes it may affect the liver. Okay, if the target organ is liver, first the functioning of the liver affect, then it affect the functioning of digestive system, then later it affect the functioning of our transporting system, etc. So even disturbance that occurs in a single cell later leads into that or it may adversely affect the functioning of our entire body system. So any disturbance that can leads into disturbance that occurs in any cell, tissues, anything that leads into disease. Okay, so disease means the discomfort. That discomfort is of course as a result of the disturbance occurs in any cells, tissues, organs, etc. Understood? So that way only the disease occurs. Then we can study about health. How we can define health? Like if all the organ systems are functioned properly, we can say our body is in the healthy condition, isn't it? So according to World Health Organization, so World Health Organization defines health. It is a state of total well-being in all aspects that include physical, social and mental. So health is a state of physical, mental and social well-being. So World Health Organization defines health as a state of total well-being in all three aspects. Which are the three aspects? Physical fitness, physical, mental and social. So total well-being in all these aspects, physical, mental and social. If one person is able to do all the activities properly, we can say his or her body is physically fit. Like if you are able to run properly, jump, if you are interestingly participate in all sports items, if you are able to participate in all types of sports items, that means you are physically fit. Like some of your friends never participate in the sports item. Like they are not physically fit for that sometimes. So if all the functions, all the activities, if we are able to do properly, we can say we are in our physical condition is good. We are physically fit. Okay. Then for the proper health, what else required? Mental fitness and also the social fitness. What is in that? Mental fitness. If the person is physically fit, even the person is physically fit, that person is not mentally satisfied. Always that person misbehave to others, and also some mental depressions, always have some fear like that. So that time we can say that person is not mentally fit. So the mental fitness is also essential for the proper healthy condition. Like some of your friends misbehave in the class. That is due to some mental problems, maybe small mental issues, very minute mental issues. So by consultation and all, we can avoid that type of the tension and all. Okay, and another thing, social fitness. Social health means that person always should have a good relationship with the society. Like we are living in our society, so we always have a close connection with our society, good relationship with the society. So that is also very important for keeping the healthy condition. Okay, so according to World Health Organization, health is a total well-being in physical, mental and social aspects. Okay, then what are the factors which required for maintaining good health? What are the various factors which are required to maintain always in healthy condition? Okay, for that one important thing, that is the personal hygiene and public hygiene are very important. Like personal hygiene. We always have to keep our body clean by regular baths, by regular baths, and also by regularly brushing our teeth, and also always we have to wear the clean clothes, etc. And also we have to consume the clean drinking water, clean food, etc. By that way we can maintain personal hygiene. Isn't it? But that person cannot make himself healthy because we are living in society. Even if we are maintaining our personal hygiene, sometimes we also feel or we also have some type of diseases. What are the reason? So we are living in society. If our surrounding is not clean, so that also leads the spreading of different type of diseases. Isn't it? Suppose if we are living in very dirty place, dirty surroundings, the garbage is not cleaned properly, and also sometimes the drainage systems overflowed. Then guess if you are living in such a society, the diseases will easily spread. So the public cleanliness is also very important for maintaining good health. So the personal hygiene and also the public hygiene is very important for maintaining good health. Isn't it? Then another one thing, that is the economic status, the good economic condition. That is also another one factor. You know, in order to keep healthy condition, that person have to consume nutritious food, balanced diet. So in order to buy the different nutritious food, he require money. So the economic condition is also another one factor which affect the health of a person. And another one thing, that is a social equality, social harmony, etc. is also very essential. So nowadays, most of the people are living in a very fear condition. Isn't it? So different evil practices are going on in our society. So always we feel some fear. But if our society is treated properly, if all the individuals are treated properly, if there is no such evil practices in our society, with the free mind we are able to live in our society. Isn't it? So in order to maintain good health, the social equality, social harmony, etc. also required. Okay students, so today we studied about the term disease and health and various factors which are required for the healthy condition. So disease means dis-ease or discomfort. That discomfort occurs as a result of disturbance. So disturbance is due to any chemical substance or by means of any microorganisms or by any climatic conditions, etc. Okay, so even to the any single cell, any disturbance occurs, later it affects the functioning of entire body system. Then health is a total well-being in physical, mental and social aspect. Then various factors required to maintain good health, that is the personal hygiene, public hygiene, personal and public hygiene, economic condition of a person, and also the social equality and social harmony, etc. I hope you understood. Then next class we can continue the balance part. Okay students, thank you.